Hey everyone, welcome back to Automobile's Car. Today, we have something truly special for you, a fresh take on an iconic classic, introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup. The Beetle has always been a symbol of quirky design and timeless charm, but Volkswagen has taken it to the next level by transforming this beloved model into a pickup truck. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle so exciting. First off, let's talk about the design. The Beetle Pickup retains that recognizable rounded shape but adds a rugged twist. Look at those bold lines and the extended beta, perfect for both style and utility. The signature round headlights and retro taillights remain, giving it that classic Beetle feel while integrating modern tech like LED lighting for enhanced visibility. Step inside. The interior is a blend of retro charm and modern technology. You'll find plush seating, a spacious cabin, and a wait-for-ride a digital infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Volkswagen has also added smart storage solutions, making it practical for everyday use, whether you're heading to the beach or running errands. Under the hood, the Beetle Pickup offers a range of engines, from a fuel-efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged option to a more powerful 2.0-liter variant, with front-wheel drive and available all-wheel drive. It's built for both city driving and off-road adventures. Plus, with a smooth ride and responsive handling, this truck doesn't compromise on the driving experience. You get the best of both worlds. And let's not forget about the bed. It's designed for practicality, offering ample space for cargo. Whether you're hauling gear for a weekend getaway or just picking up groceries, the Beetle Pickup has you covered. Volkswagen also offers a range of accessories to customize your pickup, from toolboxes to bed liners. So, there you have it, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup is a unique blend of nostalgia and modern functionality. It's perfect for those who want a bit of flair in their daily drive without sacrificing utility. What do you think? Is the Beetle Pickup the right vehicle for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more auto reviews and news. Thanks for watching Automobiles, and we'll see you in the next video.